OC Greenbelt. And I'm using Dr. Gan's overboard.
Doctor.
Diba to? 10 inches yung wheels. I have one that's smaller kasi.
Wow, galing ah.
Yan. So, ayun.
Si Min.
Yan si Maine. Nasa Bulaga siya ngayon eh. Kasi ako, I have taping. Pero hopefully, one of these days, we'll go together. So, ayun, the experience as always. I came here mga 4 months ago.
Tagal na.
4 months ago. Tapos, probably next time I'll be having a minor operation lang naman for my wisdom teeth to be removed. And yun, blend nyo. Makita nyo kami ditong sabay. So, I'll see you guys here at GOC Greenbelt. So, to Dr. Gan, thank you as always for taking care of my teeth. See you soon, guys.